1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Remember, one moves in a direction, two stays in the same place. Cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now if one moves in a direction, I want to move back, I'll go 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So I open up 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha. I lock in the same place and back to the basic. Cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. If I want to do the front cross, I take a hand and guide her. 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Back to the lock. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now we can do the cross step. The cross step, I'm taking the full frame of mind and crossing. Cross step is 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. This full frame I'm moving. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Back to the basic. 2, cha-cha-cha. So it's my full frame that moves in a direction. So the lead goes forward and the lady moves back. 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha. Straighten the step. 1, 2.